because she always mixes it up.
Oh, shoot, honey, I know a lot of pop stars who never mixed it up, and they still have great careers today.
Like you.
Who wants pie?
Hey guys, it's 123 Dixie Chick. I realize I haven't really made videos. That's because I don't have anything interesting to do. Nothing like Fred or Jaden Whale and Hunter or anything like that, killing Care Bears. So I just thought I'd make a random video just to tell you guys about me. My name is Jordy. I like to ride. I love animals. In fact, this is my dog here. Her name is Mia. She's gorgeous. And I have a pretty big family. 2 sisters, 8 brothers, so, just kidding. 4 stepbrothers, 4 stepsisters, 1 real sister, 1 real brother, a mom, a dad, a stepdad. Big family, but I only have 1 dad that I can really count as a dad. I have a horse. I have 4 dogs and 6 cats. Some people would call me crazy, but I just call myself myself. And yeah, that's about it. So I will try to think of an idea for some videos, and if you have one, just post it.